Hello and welcome to this lecture on global objects. What are global objects? Global objects are objects that are available in all modules. Let's have a look at a list of some basic but common global objects. So I'll start with the class buffer. This is basically used to handle binary data. And then we've got the underscore directory name. Basically, it's a directory name of the current module. In a way, the underscore directory name is not actually a global object, but rather it is local to each module. Then we've got the underscore file name. This basically refers to the file name of the current module. Again, this is not actually a global object, but rather it is local again to each module. But Nodes treats it as a global object. And we've got the clearImmediate object. This is normally used in combination with other objects, and it basically is used to cancel an immediate object. So you find that used a lot with things like timing and other related objects. We've got the console. Console, basically we use the console object to output or print things out to the console. So if you want to output something to the command prompt or the terminal, you'll be using console object to achieve that. And then we've got the export global object. This basically is used as a reference to module. So before you can use a module in a way, you have to export it or reference it. So that's what that export means. And then we've got the require. This method or function is used quite a lot. Basically, you use that to require access to modules. So these are some very basic but common objects, global objects that are used quite frequently in Node.js.